here in Magic Kingdom today. Who's coming back? You're back.
Back.
Got my first ever mystery pin. I'm really hoping that it's Dinah, obviously. I need a cat at least. Even the hound dog's kind of cute though, but we'll see. Okay, gonna open this mystery pin pack. Let's see what I got. Oh, I think it's a dog. It's the hound dog. He's cute. I don't know if I'm gonna keep him. I did see a really cute Donald Duck on the pin trading board inside the store, so I really wanted Dinah, but hound dog is cute too. I like it. Chris had this on his bag, but he just asked me to trade it for a cute Donald we saw in the store, so I'm gonna do that. Doing this for Chris because me, myself, I would never get back on it, but Chris doesn't remember anything about the ride, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. Cheeseburger and pepperoni spring roll. So excited to try this, but we're gonna eat these and then enjoy the parade that's coming down right now. So since Chris got me hooked on pins, he bought me a mystery box. I'd really love to get Zero or Jack Skellington. Future trades? We'll see. There are a few that I would definitely trade if I've got them, so we'll see what I get. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely trading this guy. I don't like these characters. He's a trader. Aw, Adam got Sally. We'll think about keeping her. I like Sally, but I don't know if I like her that much.
You don't like it that much?
So what we're having today, some kind of queso hot dog, a Cuban hot dog.
Cuban hot dog.
Got my frozen Coke because I'm addicted.
Yep.
Chips, Sprite.
Sprite. I mean,
Yeah, a hot date.
first one of the trip.
So I just got my Mary Imperfect cupcake. Looks so pretty. Let me go ahead and look here. It's been a while since I've checked in, but we've already done Tron. We just got out of Pirates of the Caribbean. I did Dumbo. Did a tea party. I don't know, some other stuff, but I'm about to get some Dole Whip. just checked into our last lightning lane of the day. We're gonna do Big Thunder Mountain.